Hey guys, welcome to Independent Land Rover Specialists. Today we are going to do a little walk around of a pretty unique vehicle to us. So this is a North America spec 1997 Defender 90. We restored this vehicle, did a full restoration about 7 years ago. Since the vehicle is driven daily, family loves it. So it's back in for service, and we thought we'd give you a walk around and show you what we did to it. So when the customer originally bought this vehicle, it had spent all of its life here on the East Coast, was very rusted. The frame was like Swiss cheese, the paint was faded. So even though it had done relatively low mileage, the elements had got to it. So what we did, we took the vehicle, fully stripped it down, replaced the frame with a new galvanized frame, and then everything has been rebuilt. The axles powder coated, new stainless steel brake lines, new hardware throughout. The engine has been fully rebuilt. This was originally a 4-liter. We put in a 4.6 engine, which has been sleeved, so better than new. And then going around some of the cosmetics, we went with, like our shop project truck, we went with the old school look in the front, heritage grille, heritage badge. This bumper, although it looks like a stock bumper, has been custom made with a lot thicker material. So this bumper is super strong. LED lights, LED bulbs, and original looking headlights. Some color-coded fender flares. Removed a lot of the plastic on here, so this is all punched aluminum. Another unique thing is we have Puma doors, so unlike the original ones which have the aluminum skins, which tend to corrode. These are all galvanized metal, so won't rust, super strong. This also has a Puma bulkhead with latest style windshield wiper motors. This has a high pressure windshield washer nozzle. So as we come around, some of the small attention to detail, the corrosion resistant stainless steel roll cage bolts, updated hinges, stainless steel hardware, super strong galvanized and powder coated rock sliders that actually get used as steps as well. We put in a new roof on this one. Defenders with their sunroofs notorious to leaking, so this has a sunroof delete roof on it, so no issues about leaking. Upgraded the the window seals on the back, so these have the latest style rubber window seals. And then coming around the back of the truck, we went with the earlier style heritage look lights. So these originally had the larger NAS style. The customer wanted more of a heritage look, so we went with the small lights there. And then making our way to the interior, as you can see, we went with the two late style Puma jump seats. So quite a lot of modification we had to do to the tub to get these in. But these flip and fold seats, if I know how to use them. So these seats are great, lots of leg room. Adults can sit back here, but they flip out the way. So great design. So as with the front doors, we have a Puma late style tail door, which is also galvanized. All right, so another thing we love is the Arles blue paint is beautiful, but with the Boost alloy wheels, the 5 spokes, just fantastic with the BFG all-terrain tires. All right, so moving on to the interior of this fantastic D90. We went with, along with the Puma dashboard, we went with the TD5 style interior. So factory center console from the TD5. So as we added heated seats, electric windows, it was nice to integrate these with a factory look. So electric windows, heated seats, all genuine. The new style from the TD5 with fresh air vents that are super smooth. Obviously factory air conditioning. This one's automatic, which all the 97s are. We went with latest style Puma seats. So these are factory genuine seats from a Puma Defender that we had wrapped in leather with contrasting white stitching as matching the back seats. So another feature that we do that makes a huge difference on these noisy Defenders that are bricks in the wind. We put spray-on soundproofing on all the surfaces. So on the floors, you can see this rough texture. On the roof, on the inside of the doors, on the bulkhead, we do it both layers. So on the engine side has ceramic to stop heat, as well as sound. And that makes just a huge difference in these vehicles. You can actually drive 70 miles an hour and have a conversation. So a nice benefit. So thank you for watching this little walk around video of this fantastic Defender 90 that we built here at Independent. It's great to see these trucks coming back years after us building them, getting used daily, getting loved. Just a testament to the attention to detail, care that goes into building these trucks. They stand the test of time. They're loved, come back looking as good as when they left us. So as usual, please like, comment, subscribe. Check us out on all of our other social media platforms, and we'll see you in the next video.